Welcome to Spaceverse, your portal to cosmic adventures. What if everything we thought we knew about the universe was completely wrong? Thanks to the James Webb Telescope, we've just received the clearest image ever of Proxima B, a distant exoplanet that could be eerily similar to Earth, and it's right in our cosmic backyard. The most chilling part, Proxima B might actually be home to some kind of life, but despite our attempts, no one there is responding to our radio calls. Exoplanets, planets beyond our solar system, are both fascinating and a little terrifying. These distant worlds captivate us, yet we can barely see them in detail, and making contact with them seems almost impossible. For years, we've discovered numerous Earth-like planets out in the vastness of space. The idea that life could exist on them is exciting, but we're still stuck wondering. Are there extraterrestrial civilizations out there? And if so, what are they like? Just a stone's throw away in the Proxima Centauri system lies a planet that might resemble Earth. We've tried reaching out, but so far no reply. Determined to keep searching for life and new planets, we've created the most advanced, expensive telescope ever, the James Webb Space Telescope. With a price tag of $11 billion, this incredible tool is set to answer many of the questions we've had for decades. And now, the James Webb Telescope is giving us the clearest insights yet into what's really going on with Proxima B. Proxima B, the next possible home for life. Imagine an alien civilization living just a stone's throw away from us, and we had no idea. That's exactly what researchers realized when they discovered an Earth-like planet in 2016, located in our neighboring star system. Proxima B was identified by a team led by scientist Guillaume Onlaterescu and studied in depth in the months that followed. Since then, Proxima B has held the title of the closest known exoplanet to Earth, at a mere 4.24 light-years away. Initially dubbed a super-Earth, the discovery of this rocky world was a scientific breakthrough that captured global attention. The planet was so strikingly similar to Earth that scientists were thrilled by the possibilities. Weighing in at least 1.17 times the mass of Earth, Proxima B orbits its star in the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could potentially exist. The average surface temperature hovers around -39 degrees Celsius. This discovery not only sent waves of excitement through the scientific community, but also sparked enthusiasm among space enthusiasts and alien hunters around the world. Could it be that life is right next door in our cosmic neighborhood? And could it have been there all along, just waiting to be discovered? The anticipation was huge. SETI, the organization dedicated to detecting extraterrestrial technology, turned its full attention to Proxima B, and radio signals were soon sent in its direction. However, so far, there's been no reply. As the excitement began to settle, new research began to cast doubt on the idea of finding life there. Studies revealed that Proxima B may have a tidally locked orbit, meaning it has a permanent day side and a permanent night side. The day side is likely too hot for life, and the night side too cold. However, scientists identified a possible transition zone between these extremes, thought to be a few thousand kilometers wide, where conditions might be more suitable for life. So, while the outlook isn't clear yet, hope isn't entirely lost. Proxima B, a challenging home for life? Here's a twist that'll leave UFO fans and alien enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. Scientists recently spotted an intense flare bursting from Proxima Centauri, sending a storm of particles toward Proxima B. If this planet has an atmosphere, it could be in big trouble. Since these massive solar eruptions are likely a regular occurrence, Proxima B might be constantly bombarded by extreme solar winds. This raises a tough question. Could life or an advanced civilization survive on this planet, or is it becoming more unlikely by the day? Proxima B orbits its star at a blistering pace, completing a full revolution in just 11.2 Earth days. The planet stays in the habitable zone, but that's only because Proxima Centauri is a faint star. Even with its low brightness, the dangerous particle storms from this star still pose a serious threat. Proxima Centauri, a potential hotspot for exoplanets? Proxima Centauri is our Sun's closest neighbor and belongs to the red dwarf family of stars. These stars are much dimmer than our Sun. Proxima Centauri's brightness is just 0.0015 times that of ours, with a surface temperature of only around 3042 Kelvin. But don't let its dim light fool you. Proxima Centauri is an active star, constantly throwing out solar flares and strong solar winds that could make life on its planets a challenge. Still, there's more to explore in this intriguing system. Scientists have found signs of another rocky planet similar to Proxima B, along with clues about at least 2 other planets that could resemble our Jupiter or Neptune. What makes Proxima Centauri so exciting is that it's just part of the much larger Alpha Centauri system, which contains 3 stars. Alpha Centauri A is quite similar to our Sun, while Alpha Centauri B is a bit smaller. Then there's Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf that stands out like an oddball compared to its neighbors. Alpha Centauri A and B likely formed together from the same cloud of gas and dust. But Proxima Centauri's stark differences suggest it may have formed elsewhere, perhaps even as a neighboring star before being captured by the gravity of Alpha Centauri A and B. Despite this, Proxima Centauri still holds onto its place as an intriguing world. So far, no exoplanets have been found around the 2 larger stars, Alpha Centauri A and B, but researchers have found plenty of evidence for planets orbiting the smaller star, Proxima Centauri. Proxima Centauri is only about 0.21 light-years away from Alpha A and B on average, but its orbit is very different, taking it far beyond the paths of the other 2 stars. It's fascinating to realize that Alpha Centauri was once believed to be a single star. It wasn't until advancements in telescope technology that astronomers discovered it was likely 2 stars. Proxima Centauri itself wasn't identified until 1915, when the first electric telescopes offered a clearer view. Now we're in the midst of the most advanced era of space exploration thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope. Launched in 2022, the JWST has opened up an entirely new dimension of exploration. One of its incredible achievements was capturing the clearest image of Proxima B, demonstrating the immense capabilities of this telescope. With the JWST, we can detect the light of distant alien worlds and, for the first time, search for highly advanced civilizations in space. The MIRI spectrometer on board can easily distinguish artificial light sources from natural ones. In theory, MIRI could even detect large light sources like cities, airports, or industrial plants on distant planets. Other instruments like NIRCam and NIRSPEC were specifically designed to analyze the environments of distant worlds, helping to detect signs of water, for instance. But perhaps the most impressive feature of the JWST is its 18 honeycomb-shaped gold-coated mirrors, which allow it to see farther and deeper into space than any telescope before it. Thanks to the groundbreaking technology of the James Webb Space Telescope, we now have the clearest image of Proxima B we've ever seen. Once the research is complete, we'll finally know if there's water on the planet, if it has an atmosphere, and if we can detect any biomarkers. These biomarkers, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, are key signs of life. But the excitement doesn't stop there. Researchers are developing technology that will allow us to spot traces of simple life, like unicellular organisms, in the oceans of distant planets. Imagine if Proxima B turns out to have an ocean, how much more likely would life be there? It could change everything. And here's the big question. Is there intelligent life on Proxima B? While a world filled with plankton or algae would be an amazing scientific breakthrough, deep down, we all secretly hope for contact with a civilization similar to ours. SETI is leading the charge with a fascinating project aimed at making that first contact. Even though our radio messages to Proxima B haven't been answered yet, SETI remains confident that the Proxima Centauri system could harbor intelligent life. The radio messages were sent just months after the planet was discovered, meaning it took until 2020 for them to reach Proxima Centauri. Since it's over 4 light-years away, any reply could take at least another 4 years. So who knows? We might still get a response. What we don't know yet, though, is whether the beings there can even pick up our radio messages. Maybe they don't use radio technology at all, or maybe they're completely different from what we imagine. They might even be animals or some other form of life we can't yet comprehend. And here's the exciting part. Billionaire Yuri Milner is teaming up with SETI to launch tiny mini probes that will zip toward Proxima Centauri at nearly the speed of light. These spacecraft, only a few centimeters in size, will be equipped with cameras and sensors to explore our neighboring star system. With Webb's incredible images and these probes capturing real photos from Proxima Centauri, we're about to step into a whole new era of discovery. The mysteries of space are about to get a whole lot clearer. And that's it. Thanks for tuning in to Spaceverse. The mysteries of Proxima B are just the beginning. Subscribe and stay with us as we explore the wonders of space. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars.